So this drink, Vivian, it's something nice you can do with the watermelon that you have at home. And we're gonna give it a little bit of raspberry flavor from raspberry tea bags instead of from raspberries themselves, because we don't wanna mash up the raspberries and strain the seeds out. It's kind of a pain, right? And so what we're gonna do is we have about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of watermelon here. We're actually gonna puree this. So we have a watermelon puree. Can you throw that in the blender for me?
All right, and can I add a little bit of water just to mix it in?
Yes. And then while she's doing that, all I'm gonna do is take 2 raspberry leaf tea bags, and we're gonna open them and put them in our trusty pitcher over here. Just pull off the paper tab at the top, and then you can just throw the tea bag right in like that, because we're gonna steep the tea in this pitcher over here before we add the fruit.
Okay,
take that tag off. And now I'm going to pour some hot water in with those tea bags so that we get a good steep on them for a few minutes before we add the watermelon and an orange slice.
Just gonna do a little bit more.
Okay.
All right, seems that's okay now.
Perfect. I'm actually going to put the end of the peel in here, right, in with the hot water, so that we get a little bit of extra orange essence into our nice drink. We're going to have an orange slice for fancy decoration, okay?
Okay.
Because nobody really wants it to not be summer anymore. So if you have your glass here, just like a great cocktail,
That's
right?
Beautiful, yes.
And we're gonna pour the watermelon right in here with the raspberry and the orange. And then all we need to do is cool it down with some ice. So we're just gonna scoop the ice in here. Give the ice a few minutes to actually melt and cool down the whole thing. And then you will be ready for your cocktail. I'm gonna put a little ice right in this cup for you too. Okay. Now watermelon is great for hydration, right? Because there's a lot of water in it, but it actually has a lot of vitamins in there too, which people don't remember.
And I bet that if you are having this type of drink in front of your kids, they will want to drink it. So that's might be also an alternative for the whole family to hydrate and
get rid of the juice, right?
Yes.
Get rid of the soda.
Absolutely.
And if the kids really want there to be bubbles, you can always put some club soda in theirs, right? And pour it on top.
Make it fun. May I?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you know, I have 2 kids, so I'm always thinking of some things, some fun things that the kids will like, that it's fun but tasty as well.
Of course, and when they have their friends over, right, you need to have something you can serve, but then they go home and their moms get really mad you've thought of something cool.
May I?
Yes, of course,
Okay.
enjoy.
I can't wait because it's just so attractive. Okay.